Hello students, let us try to understand the problem based on the conformation of ethane. So when you talk about the conformation student, so this is the rotation, the stable structure formed by the rotation of hydrogen atom around the carbon atom is known as conformation. So student, the conformation, what are the conformation of ethane? So the lowest energy conformation of ethane shown in the figure above is called the staggered conformation. So staggered conformation is there student, you can see. So where the hydrogen atoms are far away from each other. Okay, for the two carbon, that is the what the distance is 60-degree angle. So this is what is the staggered conformation. Okay, this is what is staggered conformation. Now student, if you can see, another conformation is possible in which all the CH bond in the front carbon are positioned at dihedral angle 60-degree related to the CH bond on the back carbon. Okay, another 60-degree rotation return the molecules to a second eclipse conformation. So if you are rotating 60-degree of the front carbon student, what you will see, you will find that is the you can see hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. You will find that is the all the hydrogen are close. So this kind of conformation unstable is known as, this is the eclipsed conformation. Okay, this is known as what, eclipsed conformation, right? So now let us see the another problem based on the this conformation. The next problem is, which conformation of ethane is more stable? The staggered conformation. The staggered conformation is most stable of all the possible conformation of ethane, since the angle between CH bond on the front and the rear carbon are maximum, which is minimize the energy. So you can see student, staggered conformation, this is having what is the structure. If you see student, so you will find that is in this structure, that is they are having the maximum bond angle, so that is least repulsion, and least repulsion implies that that is most stable, this is most stable. Now let us have a look over the next problem. How many conformation are possible for ethane? How many conformations are possible for ethane, right? So while there are, you can have the look on this question. So they are saying student, while there are the infinite number of conformation about any sigma bond in ethane, two particular conformation are noteworthy and have the special name. In the eclipse conformation, CH bond angle on the front carbon, CH bond angle in the front carbon and back carbon are aligned with each other with dihedral angle of 0 degree. So that is what the in eclipse conformation, that is bond angles are 0 degree. Okay, which conformation of ethane has maximum energy? So eclipse conformation of methane is having the maximum energy because of the repulsion. This is the highest energy conformation because unfavorable electrostatic repulsion between the electrons in front and the back CH bond. The energy of the eclipse conformation is approximately 3 kilocalorie per mole, that is 12 kilojoule per mole, higher than that of the staggered conformation. So that is eclipse conformation have the maximum energy. Which Newman projection of ethane is more stable? Okay, so if you talk about the experiment shows that there are the 12 kilojoule, that is 2.9 kilocalorie per mole barrier to rotation in ethane. The most stable low energy conformation is the one in which all 6 CH bond are far away from each other possible. Okay, so staggered when view end on in the Newman projection. So that is in the Newman projection, staggered conformation is most stable. Which conformation of cyclohexane is most stable? Staggered or eclipse conformation? So with respect to the to other, the eclipse conformation is the least stable and staggered conformation is the most stable. The eclipse conformation is said to suffer torsional strain because of the repulsive forces between the electron pair in CH bond in adjacent carbon atom. How many conformers are there in the butane? So which conformation is least stable? The least stable and the staggered conformation is the most stable. Okay, the least stable and the staggered conformation is the most stable. The eclipse conformation is said to suffer torsional strain because of the repulsive forces between electron pair in CH bond of adjacent carbon. These repulsive forces are minimized in the staggered conformation since all CH bonds are far. So that is no least stable is the eclipse conformation where bond angle is 0 degree. What is skew conformation? Okay, any conformation of six membered ring form form of monosaccharide or monosaccharide derivative when their three derivatives ring atom and the remaining non-adjacent ring atom are coplanar are known as the skew conformation. What is eclipse form? In chemistry, an eclipse conformation is the conformation in which two substances X and Y are adjacent atom A, B are closest proximity, applying that the torsional strain X A B Y equal to is 0. What is a Newman projection formula? A Newman projection, useful in alkane stereochemistry, visualize the conformation of the chemical bond from front to back, okay, with the front atom represented by dot and the back atom of the carbon is circle. This type of representation clearly illustrates the specific dihedral angle between the proximal and distal atoms. What is the difference? What is the difference between torsional and steric strain? We talk about the torsional strain mainly when we draw Newman projection in the case of eclipse and staggered. Steric strain is higher in the case of eclipse conformation because the bond are in the closest position to each other. However, it is the least in the case of staggered since the bond are the furthest apart. So see student, here 60 degree are there staggered, 0 degree eclipsed. So dihedral angle actually 0 degree but in tilted slightly to make the rear bond visible. Okay, now if you rotate a staggered lowest energy to the 0 degree, that is what eclipsed. So this is all about the problem of the conformation of ethane.